Hello everyone! Today we are doing panettone with sourdough. It's easy version when we need only 2 days for preparation, and in third day we can cut and eat. Let's get started. First in the morning you need to renew your sourdough. An active starter is the key to success in your recipe. Before making our first dough, we need a 3 times updated starter with 3 hours fermentation time. Mix the flour, starter, sugar and water in a bowl and form into a ball. Transfer to a jar and cover with a lid. Fermentation at 27 degrees for 3 hours. After 3 hours, we need to do second update. First, mix the starter from the first update, sugar and water, and then add the flour. Repeat the mixing, then shape it and ferment it for 3 hours. We don't need to wait until it doubles in size, only 3 hours to ferment. After 3 hours, it's time to do our third update. First, mix the starter from the second update, sugar and water, and then add the flour. Repeat the mixing, shaping, and fermenting steps for the second assembly. Now it's time to do our first dough with all of our updated process. This dough, personally, I do before going to the sleep. Mix flour, water, egg yolk, butter, all 3 times updated starter, and sugar. On low speed, mix until it's smooth. My bowl is large enough that the dough doubles in size. Fermentation time is 8 to 14 hours. Next morning, it's time to do our second dough. Combine first dough, flour, vanilla in a mixing bowl. Knead on medium speed until gluten develops. Add sugar, honey and mix on medium speed until thoroughly combined. Add egg yolk in 2 additions. Add the next portion only after the previous portion has combined with the dough. Add salt with the mixer running, then add water in 3 additions. Don't do mistake like me, I forgot. I put everything in once and I had little accident. Knead until the gluten develops well. Then add butter 3 times and knead the dough at medium speed until the gluten is fully developed. In the end, approximately for 1 kilo 200 grams of dough, I put 160 grams of dried fruit, and to have a citrus effect, I put 50 grams of mixed candied orange and lemon peel. Divide the dough according to the selected shapes into the bowl. Our dough is really sticky, and for me it was the hardest part of this recipe. I bought 2 different kinds of shapes, one for 1 kilo and second for 50 grams. This shape for 50 grams of dough was not wide enough and it was hard to put in the first attempt. In the beginning, I was regret that why I bought 50 shapes, because you cannot buy in less quantity. But in the end, after maybe 3rd attempts, I realized that it's just question of the practice. And after final shaping, proofing time is 6 to 12 hours at 27 degrees. After final proving time, bake in convection mode at 175 degrees of Celsius for about 33 to 40 minutes. When it's ready, when it's hot, you need to move so fast. That's why we have these sticks. You need to turn panettone upside down, hang and cool it for at least 8 hours. This part is really important. Please don't skip it. For real panettone, it should be more bubbles, but why we don't have? It's really fast version. We did it in 2 days. But the real panettone needs 1 week, minimum 1 week, and that's why it looks not as nice how we want it, but believe me, the flavor the same. The flavor is amazing. If you watch this video till the end, thank you for your attention. I hope this video would be useful for you guys, And I want to share something. This video was made in hotel room. I traveled with my panettone, which I made in my house in Chile. Then we went to Costa Rica to meet with our family, and it was little pleasure to share with my family homemade panettone. To make this video, I was inspired with my mother-in-law, Catherine, special panettone for Catherine.
Ça.
Ah
Comme
bon,
je
d'accord.
Non, papa, tu fais le là.
Ah, je suis à l'envers, pardon.
Tu vois
Oui,
le
oui, je vois bien, panettone, en gros plan sur le panettone. Ah ben il faut que j'appuie.
Non, c'est déjà.
Ah, ça marche.
C'est déjà.
Le bon panettone à Aike, fait par Aike.
Bye guys, I just wanted in the end to share this happy, simple moment with our family. Make good food for your family, it will always bring happiness. Bye!